What's up, guys? So it has been a minute. See, we have been a little overwhelmed with this wedding process, but it is all coming together, and that's all that really matters. So, as you can see in the previous clip, I'll be showing you how I do my fiance's hair. Yes, your girl is a licensed cosmetologist. So if you see my fiance looking fly, it's from your girl. And if he looks trash, it ain't from me. So right now I'm showing you how I part his hair. So I'll be parting his hair straight down the middle into 2 even sections. And what I'm showing you in this clip is how I'm sectioning off his hair for the man bun that I'll be creating. So excuse the mess and the junk and the random people in the background. We are not home, we are in a hotel room, so yeah, bear with us. The tools and the products that I'll be using is a rat tail comb, as you can see, 4 clips, and some gel. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for more. As you can see in this section, I grabbed both pieces to make sure that they're even. The way this look goes is that everything has to match up perfectly. So yeah, I am taking a small section from the front and I'm parting it straight across. I'm not good when it comes to parting, but the more I'm practicing, the more I'm getting it. And I realized that using this type of comb, like the end part, works better for me than using like a rat tail comb that has a thicker or fatter end. It makes the parts come out way easier. So if you're not good at parting, maybe you should switch your tools or try something new, or just keep trying to figure it out until you get it. But what you do on one side, you must do on the other. I cannot stress this enough that the look is supposed to be even. Like everything is supposed to come together evenly. So make sure you take your time and you part it the best way you can. Okay guys, now it's time to braid the hair. If you don't know how to braid, I am truly sorry. I don't know how to teach you guys. But I did it close enough for you to see how I do braid the hair. I've practiced braiding for so long that now it just comes naturally to me. So yeah, I will be braiding the hair, but I won't bring it all the way down. I would just braid it just enough so it won't unravel. And like I said earlier, what you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So with the other side, I'll be doing the exact same thing. Now, I didn't put any products in his hair on this part because I didn't have the products that I really wanted to use. I don't want to use gel because of how slippery it is, and it just doesn't work as great as like edge control or jam. So yeah. So now that we got those 2 braids done, I would literally be doing the same thing. I will be parting another section on one side and doing the exact same thing on the other side and then braiding them both. If you don't know how to braid, I'm pretty sure there's enough videos on YouTube that can teach you how to braid, or you could zoom in or pause it or slow down the video. I don't know, whatever helps you, you could do it. But make sure that you are practicing, because like everybody says, practice makes perfect, and I am here to tell you that that is how I got to this level of braiding, is by practicing all the time on my sister's hair. So yeah, Just keep practicing and you'll get better. So the way this look goes is I would literally be taking parts from each section, making sure they're even, and braiding those sections, just as you can see as I'm doing now. So yeah. So I felt bad that I left you guys hanging, so I slowed down this part and I'm going to try to explain it to you the best way I can. So to start the braid, I take a small section in the beginning and I split it in 3. Now, if you can see the way I'm holding my hands, because there's no way I don't know how to explain it to you without showing you while you're here, but that is the positions that I put my hands in. As I'm braiding, I grab a piece of the hair under and I continue to braid down. I hope that helps, and I hope slowing it down helps, because I honestly really don't know how to explain it to you, but hopefully you can see it and you could get an understanding of how I braid. So we are almost done, and as you can see, I already braided one side of the hair. I want you guys to remember what you do to one side, you do to the other, and I know that's a little repetitive, but I'm just saying it again because I do not want you guys to think I did anything different. This is exactly what I did to the other side. So as you can see, I'm unraveling the hair, and I'm making sure that I stop where the part is, and I make sure I'm not unraveling too far up where the braids unravel completely and I'll have to rebraid them. I'm using Eco Style Gel to tame some of his hair because he does have a lot of hair, and then I take that part and I split it in 3, and while I'm braiding I continue to connect all the other braids together, and I pretty much do that until I go all the way down to the end of the hair. So we are down to the final step, and then we are done, guys. Woohoo! So what I end up doing is I ended up gathering all the hair and putting it in a ponytail. I used a little bit of the Eco Styler gel to lay down his hair. And then I took the ponytail that was left out and I split it in three and I made a braid. The reason why I did this is because he didn't want just that bun look. He wanted that braided bun look. So yeah, I braided the hair all the way down, and I took that and I ended up rolling it up, as you can see in the video. And then I secured the bun with a scrunchie. And that's pretty much it. If you recreated this look, kudos to you. Let us know. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on social media and come back for more. Don't forget to watch our last video if you haven't. And we will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I call you a blessing, yeah. Never had me stressing, yeah. No, never got a question, yeah. Trust on 100, yeah. Relationship goals, yeah. And they